नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम लोग ईवीएस पार्ट 1 में लेसन नंबर 12 फूड फॉर ऑल इस पार्ट का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके, अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाहर कर सकते हैं। ये है लेसन नंबर 12 फूड फॉर ऑल। इसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट्स द सॉल्यूशन? The plant in the pot is not growing well. The answer is first, keep the potted plant in a such way so that it gets maximum sunlight. Second, add manure and organic fertilizer to the pot. If chemical fertilizers are to be added, ask the expert about the doses. Third, water the plant daily and preferably in the morning. Fourth, loosen the soil near the roots. Fifth, trim the plant occasionally to enhance the growth. Sixth, take care of the plant so that parasitic pests and insects do not harm the plant. If all the above care is taken, the plant in the pot will start growing well again. Now next question. Question number 2, use your brain power. What is the purpose of storing food grain in our house? The answer is first, in order to avoid daily commuting to market, we store the food grains in our house. Second, some food stuff is seasonal. It is available only during certain seasons. This needs to be bought and suitably preserved for storage. Third, sometimes the shops and markets may be closed, causing inconvenience at the last minute. So we need to store the food stuff in our house. Fourth, sometimes guests may also drop in and we may need more supplies. Fifth, there may be parties, celebration or similar occasion when we need more food stuff. Sixth, some food grains may be sold only at a particular period of time, so that we need to bring them home and store. Now next question. Question number 3. Find and correct the incorrect statements. First, there is only one method of farming. The answer is incorrect. Correct statement is there are many methods of farming. Now next. Second, India is an agricultural country. The answer is correct. Now next. Third, use of improved seeds does not lead to higher yields. The answer is incorrect. Correct statement is use of improved seeds leads to higher yields. Now next question. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. First, what are the advantages of using improved seeds? The answer is first, improved seeds have higher yields. Second, these seeds resist pest attack. Third, they grow well and become ripe for harvest in the shorter period of time. Fourth, some seeds can give high yield in low water supply too. Now next. Second, which are the modern method of irrigation? What are their advantages? The answer is first, drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation are modern method of irrigation. Second, due to modern methods of irrigation, roots of the crops get enough water. Third, one can save a lot of water by these methods. Fourth, in modern method of irrigation, full use is made of available water. Fifth, there is danger of land becoming saline and fallow when here is overwatering. This can be avoided due to the modern irrigation methods. Now next. Third, describe the drip irrigation method. The answer is first, in drip irrigation method, pipes with holes are used for giving water to the plants. Second, only required amount of water drips near the plants in this method. Third, full use of available water can be done by drip irrigation method. Now next. Fourth, what are the reasons due to which growing crops are damaged? The answer is first, growing crops in the field can be attacked by diseases and pest attacks. Second, if the fertility of soil is reduced, the productivity of fields is also reduced. Third, if enough water is not available for growing crops, their growth is stunted. All these factors can cause damage to the crops in the fields. Now next. Fifth, what is done to avoid the damage to crops? The answer is first, to avoid damage to crops, modern irrigation methods are used to water the crops. Second, to reduce the pest and diseases attack, the crops are sprayed with insecticides and pesticides. Third, seeds used are also of improved quality and they are rubbed with certain chemicals before sowing. Fourth, proper amount of fertilizers are used to enhance the growth of the crops. Now next. Sixth, what causes the fertility of the soil to diminish? The answer is overuse of chemical fertilizers leads to accumulation of excessive chemicals in soil. This reduces the fertility of soil. Overwatering also turns the soil saline and fallow. Now next, 7th, what changes has modern technology brought about in the method of farming? The answer is first, modern technology of agriculture uses improved seeds that give higher yield. Second, modern method of irrigation such as drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation are used. Third, organic fertilizers and manures are used to increase the fertility and productivity of soil. Fourth, pesticides and insecticides are used to protect the crops against diseases and pest attacks. Fifth, through agricultural assistance program, farmers are given information and weather forecast. All these changes have brought about a better yield of farm produce. Now next, 8th, what method are used to preserve a food grain? The answer is, in order to preserve the stored food grains, the following methods are used. First, the grain is dried well in the sun and stored in sacks. Second, the chemicals are sprayed on the places where the sacks are stacked. Third, neem leaves are mixed with the grain to avoid insect attacks. Fourth, protective chemicals are mixed with the grains. The smell of these chemicals repels the insect pest. Fifth, the place where grain is stored is kept dry and airy to prevent it from catching fungus. Now next, 9th, how is water made available for farming? The answer is first, in India most of the agriculture is dependent upon monsoon. Second, along with this rainwater, water from rivers, lakes and wells are used for irrigation purpose. Third, dams are built on rivers for holding huge quantities of water. Fourth, small bunds are also made downstream on the rivers. Fifth, traditionally, moat and canal water was used for watering the crops. Sixth, now modern methods of irrigation are used for farming. Now next question. Question number 5, match the following A group and B group. The answer is first, grain stored in damp place, fungus attack. Second, grain stored in dry air, prevent growth of fungus on the grain. Third, adding proper chemicals to the stored grain, prevent insect infestations. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 12 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स पे जरूर लिख करके बताइए। इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों।